Henry purchased 3 items during a sale. He received a 20% discount on the regular price of the most expensive of the 3 items and a 10% discount on the regular price of each of the other 2 items. What was the total amount of the 3 discounts? Okay, so he has 3 items. We can call them A, B, and C. And he received a 20% discount on the regular price of the most expensive of the 3 items. So let's say C is the most expensive of them. And so C, if it costs, we'll say our labels here represent the regular cost of the items. You received a 20% discount. So that means a couple of things. So there's 2 things we got to take into account here, and that is the discounted price that he paid for each of these items, and then the amount of the actual discount, because those aren't the same thing, because they're asking for the total amount of our 3 discounts. So if he received a 20% discount on the regular price of C, so that's a 20% decrease, that means he paid 0.8 C, but his discount was 0.2 C. And then he got a 10% discount on the other items, so that means he paid 0.9 B and 0.9 A for these 2 items. But his discount for those items was 0.1 A and 0.1 B. And so we are looking for the total amount of his discount. So we were looking for 0.1 A plus 0.1 B plus 0.2 C. So now let's see if we could find, we don't necessarily need to find A, B, and C here, remember? Because if we can just find out what 0.1A plus 0.1B plus 0.2C is, that's good enough. So the first statement says the average price of the average of the regular prices of the 3 items was $30. So our regular prices, remember, were just A, B, and C. So this is saying A plus B plus C over 3 is equal to 30, which means A plus B plus C is equal to 90. So from here, can I get what 0.1A plus 0.1B plus 0.2C is? Well, no, because if my coefficients were all the same here, I would be able to do it, but because they are different, there's no way for me to get from here to here, so this is insufficient. The regular price of the most expensive of the 3 items was $50. So by itself, this is going to be insufficient. This is telling me what C is equal to 50. So just knowing C is equal to 50 doesn't do anything to help me find A and B, so that's going to be insufficient. But let's look at them together now. So now I know if C is 50, then A plus B must be 40. I know A plus B is equal to 40 and C is equal to 50. So before I start saying, well, okay, but I need, so what do I know? I know this means 0.2C is equal to 0.2 times 50, or 1/5 times 50, which is equal to 10. But before I say, okay, but I don't know what 0.1A plus 0.1B is, I just know what A plus B is. So let's think for a second here, because if I'm looking now for 0.1A plus 0.1B, because I already have 0.2C, well, I can factor out the 0.1 here. So there's just 0.1 times A plus B. So this really means I just need A plus B, and I know A plus B is equal to 40. So 0.1 times A plus B is just 0.1 times 40, which is just 1/10 of 40, which is equal to 4. So 0.1A plus 0.1B should be equal to 4. And therefore, 0.1A plus 0.1B plus 0.2C should just be 4 plus 10, which is 14. So together, our 2 statements are sufficient.